In this video, we will learn about demonstrative word. We will start with the word this. In Arabic, we have هذا, هذا, هذه, هذا, هذه. Let's get started. In Arabic, demonstrative words considered nouns, and we have two words for this. One of them, هذا, one of them, هذه. You know why? Because everything in Arabic is gendered. We use هذا for masculine and we use هذه for feminine nouns. Let's get started. هذا, هذه, هذا, هذه. Remember, if you see ta marbuta at the end, this is one of the ways where you can distinguish between if the noun is feminine or the noun is masculine. And we will talk more about gender, but this is one of the ways you can distinguish. If you see ta marbuta at the end, you can tell this noun is feminine. هذا كتاب. Kitab is masculine. Then we use هذا. هذه صورة. Surah is feminine. Then we use هذه. هذا كرسي. هذا بيت. هذا مكتب. هذا قلم. All these nouns are masculine. That's why I used here هذا. هذه طاولة. هذه امرأة. هذه طالبة. هذه نافذة. Or we can say هذه نافذة with the حركات, with the short vowels تنوين, because we will learn later on why we use two dhammas here, because this is a nominal sentence. That's why the case here is nominative. This is a little bit advanced now, but we will talk about this later on. So if we say this window هذه نافذة or هذه نافذة, it's still the same meaning, but we have some grammatical function where we have to add two dhammas because this is nominal sentence. We will talk about this later on. But now if you see me sometimes pronouncing هذه نافذة, it's the same meaning as هذه نافذة. It's the same meaning. We used هذه here because the noun here is feminine. Now fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative word this. Remember, we have two words for this. We have هذا or هذه. So the first one, blank كتاب, blank صورة, blank كلية, blank شباك. Stop the video right now, fill in the blank, then continue listening to this video. The correct answers are هذا كتاب, هذه صورة, هذه كلية, هذا شباك. Now let's talk about this as dual noun. In Arabic we have this for singular and we have it for dual noun. هذا for this singular, هذان for this dual noun masculine. هذه for this, feminine, singular. هاتان for this, feminine, dual noun. هذا ولد. This boy, singular. هذان ولدان. These two boys. In English you say these for two boys. In Arabic we have one of the demonstrative word, we use it for dual noun, which is هذان. هذان. As a singular we say هذا. As a dual noun we say هذان for masculine. هذا كرسي. هذان كرسيان. هذا باب. هذان بابان. هذه بنت. This girl. هاتان بنتان. The same thing we did for masculine, we're doing for feminine. We have feminine, we have two girls, so we use هاتان. And this is feminine for dual noun. هذه حقيبة. هاتان حقيبتان. هذه طاولة. هاتان طاولتان. So again, we have this for singular and we have this for dual nouns. هذا هذان. هذا ولد. This boy. هذان ولدان. هذان ولدان. Two boys. We have two boys here. This is for masculine. هذه and هاتان. هذه and هاتان. هذه بنت. One singular female. هاتان بنتان. We have two girls. That's why we use هاتان, and this is for feminine.